Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get treasure coins in Archero 2. In Archero 2, treasure coins or island treasure tokens can only be obtained during the limited time Island Treasure Hunt event. This event pops up every so often, and you can join whether you're free to play or willing to spend for a boost. Naturally, in-game purchases gives you more coins and faster progress, but free players still have plenty of opportunities. Complete your daily test to earn dice, then use multiplayers to maximize your rolls and rewards. A smart tip is to hold off on exchanging your treasure coins until the last day of the event, since better rewards often show up near the end. Don't worry, both dice and coins carry over after the event ends, so nothing goes to waste. Once you've collected enough, head to the island store in the exchange shop to trade them for rare and valuable gear. And that's the key to securing treasure coins in Arc Hero 2. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.